If you're building a data center the traditional way, stop. You've already lost. While most projects are stuck in a 24-month permitting and construction nightmare, a new alliance just proved we can go from dirt to data in just 6 months. The 2-year build cycle is officially dead, and today I'm showing you the blueprint for the new AI factory. This week at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, the industry just shifted on its axis. SK Telecom, Supermicro, and Schneider Electric signed a massive deal to productize the AI data center. We're not talking about a bespoke architectural project anymore. We're talking about a total solution: liquid cooling, modular power, and rack-scale compute, all pre-integrated and ready to drop into place like high-tech Legos. In the AI race, speed isn't a luxury, it's the only competitive advantage that matters. By the end of this video, I'm going to break down the 3 specific technical bottlenecks that used to take 18 months to solve, and how this new modular approach solves them in 6 months. If you're an investor, an engineer, or a founder, you need to understand this shift, or you'll be holding legacy real estate while the world moves to the megawatt factory. Traditionally, every data center was a snowflake. Unique engineering, custom cooling loops, months of on-site electrical work. But AI workloads are uniform. They don't need a unique building. They need a standard environment that can handle 100 kilowatts plus per rack. What Supermicro and Schneider are doing is moving the construction from the field to the factory. Standardization. When the cooling and power are baked in at the factory, you eliminate 70% of the on-site troubleshooting. The Mobile World Congress Insight. The SK Telecom deal shows that even the biggest telcos are realizing they can't wait for traditional builds. They need AI-ready infrastructure yesterday. How do you actually do it? It comes down to parallel processing. While you are leveling the ground and securing the power tap at the site, Schneider and Supermicro are already building your racks and cooling pods 5,000 miles away. Phase 1, the shell. Skip the concrete and steel skyscrapers. Use modular shells or retrofitted brownfield sites. Phase 2, the core. The SK Telecom total solution arrives. These are self-contained pods. You don't build them, you commission them. Phase 3, the liquid leap. Because these are pre-designed for liquid cooling, you don't have to spend 6 months balancing an HVAC system. You plug in the manifold and you're live. I've seen this from experience. The era of the general contractor in the data center space is being replaced by the system integrator. If you're still thinking in terms of square footage, you're looking at the wrong metric. Start thinking in terms of megawatts per month of construction. That is the only metric that determines your ROI in 2026. The SK Telecom Schneider deal is just the first domino. We are moving toward a world where you can order a 10 megawatt AI factory as easily as you order a server rack. And if you're at MWC or following these deals, drop a comment below. Is the 6-month build a reality or just marketing hype? If you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. My plan is to release videos Mondays and Thursdays. Mondays videos will focus on RWA tokenization and blockchain, while Thursdays will dive deeper on AI, HPC, and the data center industry. I'm JoshLi's digital twin. While I'm in front of the camera, the real JoshLi is doing the research and creating the content. He will read all of your comments. While you're here, check out some of my other videos about the intersection of AI, blockchain, and tech in the future. If you want to see the deeper dive into the liquid cooling tech that makes this modular density possible, check out my last video. I'll see you in my next video.